This segment will provide operating and maintenance tips for the Agri-Fab 85-pound Pro Push Spreader. Make sure to read the information on the chemical package for directions and cautions on handling and applying. Always wear eye and hand protection when handling or applying lawn or garden chemicals. Never allow children to operate the spreader. Do not use powdered lawn chemicals as they do not give a satisfactory or consistent broadcast pattern. Estimate the size of the area to be covered and calculate the amount of material required. Set the adjustable stop according to the flow setting recommended in the application chart. Also refer to the instructions on the packaging for the material to be spread. Make sure the control lever is in the off position. Then fill the hopper, breaking up any lumpy fertilizer. Start the spreader in motion and then pull the control lever to the on position. Always move the control lever to the off position before turning or stopping. To ensure uniform coverage, make each pass so that the broadcast pattern slightly overlaps the pattern of the previous pass. The approximate broadcast widths for different materials are shown on screen. For rectangular areas, make 2 passes across the short ends to create turning areas. For non-rectangular areas, make 2 passes around the entire border. When broadcasting weed control fertilizers, make sure the broadcast pattern does not hit evergreen trees, flowers, or shrubs. Empty the spreader after each use, storing leftover material in its original bag. To maintain your spreader, oil the free spinning wheel once a year or more often as needed. Oil the nylon bushings in the frame's tube and cross brace once a year, or often with heavy use. Apply a light coating of grease to the gears as needed. Before each use, thoroughly inspect your spreader for loose nuts, bolts, or other parts. Secure any loose parts before use. Make sure the tires are adequately inflated. Do not inflate beyond the maximum pressure printed on the tire. Overinflated tires can explode, causing serious injury. Use a hand pump to safely inflate the tires. Rinse the inside of the hopper and the exterior of the spreader and dry off before storing. Then, store in a clean, dry area. Make sure to read the manual for other important safety, operation, and maintenance tips.